Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Got a really special car for you today. I found this car, I don't know, 2-3 years ago and sold it to one of my best buddies, Ernie Olin. He's kept it in his garage. He's only put about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it. We haven't cleaned this car, we haven't detailed this car, we haven't done anything. It's straight out of his garage. I wanted you to see it just the way it came to us. But we'll clean it, detail it, resurface everything. There's only one little thing wrong with it, which I'll show you, and we'll have that fixed. So we've got it sitting here running. You can see the headlights are super clear. The paint is nice, not rock chipped or scratched or scraped up on the front end. The engine compartment is super nice and clean. No leaks, no issues. I know this car super well. Hood pad, nice and clean. Everything's good. Let me walk around and let you take a look at the car. Tires are good. We just put them on, just they're Michelin's not long ago. As far as the mileage, the glass is clear. This is an 06, guys. You want an inexpensive weekend car to set in the garage and just drive around on Sundays. You found your car. Super fun. The only reason Ernie traded it in is because I had a E550, and that was really the car he wanted when we found this car. We've got the console lid off of it. Had a little scratch on it. We're fixing that. Had a tiny little scratch on the center airbag. We're fixing that. You can see the seats are exceptional. Once this car's cleaned, you really can't tell it from brand new. Look at those carpet and the carpet mats. Door panels are just exceptional. The paint, exceptional. This car is exceptional in every way. We've got the top down right now to take pictures. You can just see everything, every square inch of this car is just as nice as you could possibly ever want it to be. Ernie, proud of you for the way you took care of my car, buddy. Power seats. By the time you see the car, the console lid will be back in there and it'll be perfect. And we'll have the scratch fixed on the airbag and have the steering wheel put back together. Won't be any issues there. And what a fun little car. This is not the small engine, this is the 3.5. But just look at the front end of this car for an 06 model, and we haven't even cleaned it yet. All right, Willsy, you want to close the door there? Operate the top so everyone can see it working. Sorry about the shine on Will's head. I hope it didn't blind anybody. There you go. Let me walk around the outside with the top up and let you see it. A little longer video than usual, but an 06 model this nice with only 61,000 miles, I think deserves a little longer video. Hope you agree. I guess the only thing we didn't look at was the roof since it was down. You can see no issues there at all. Guys, as always, I appreciate you looking at our site. Mike Stout. My cell phone is 404-867-5028. You can give me a call anytime at all. I usually answer day or night. Thanks so much and have a great day.